Hey guys, yeah, this is 3 weeks of transplanting the hydroponic garden, and this is the level of growth so far. Just trying to give you the progress as I promised. You can see that the plants are doing marvelously well, and they are quite enjoying. You can see the roots are developing quite healthy, and the plants are growing quite healthy. Maybe in the next 1 or 2 weeks we should be able to have the first harvest, something like that. We'll start enjoying the garden. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the progress that the plants have made so far. Please, we will appreciate all your comments and questions, and we will respond to them as they come. Please like the video and share it, and please, if you have any need to build your hydroponic garden, you can just PM me, and we will discuss and be able to give you what you want. We'll look at your space and the needs, and be able to give you the design that will suit the purpose. And we are trying to develop another concept here. It's still under development, so this is a tower garden using the plastic drum, that will become live in few days, and as that is done, we will equally present it to you. Yeah, we are happy with the garden so far, so good, and have a nice weekend and stay safe. Wear your mask and keep distance from people that are not in your bubble while you go out. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.